Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone won't play YouTube video after the updating of iOS. We start from basic. The first and basic method is update YouTube app. To check that, tap and hold App Store and tap on updates. Here we have to check if there is any update available for YouTube. If there is, then tap on update. Solution number 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. Go to settings, enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes. After that, unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 3. Turn on YouTube under server data. To check that, go to settings, tap on mobile or cellular data, scroll down, find and enable YouTube if it's disabled. Solution number 4. Turn off and turn on your iPhone. First go to settings, then tap general, scroll down and tap shutdown. Now drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 5. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Now we go for solution number 6. Go to settings, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 7. Reset network settings. Go to settings, tap general, tap reset and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. Finally, delete and reinstall YouTube app. Tap and hold YouTube. Now tap remove app. After that, follow the instruction, then go to App Store and re-download the YouTube app. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.